Fatikroy Police intercepted a massive consignment of cannabis weighing over 271 kilograms in the Demdum area under Kumarghat subdivision. 2 individuals, including vehicle's driver, have been taken into custody.
Acting on the tip of a police team set up strategic checkpoint in the Demdum area of the Fatikroy Assembly constituency. During the operation, law enforcement personnel signaled a suspicious vehicle to stop for inspection. A meticulous search of the vehicle exposed a hidden haul of contraband tightly packed for transit. Upon weighing the seized narcotics, the total quantity stood at exactly 271 kg and 48 grams. The police immediately impounded the vehicle and arrested 2 individuals on the spot.
Uniform dia kalau Papa arambho karo load pana lagbo ha ini Papa arambho karo Papa mata ya karo mata marking karo
The Fatikroy Police have registered a case under the NDPS Act. A comprehensive investigation is underway to determine the origin of the massive consignment and unmask some masterminds behind the threat. Pure report, Chini Khorang.